Guys, we are at Keymaster right now, and Brett is attempting to beat the payout rate when it's not due. Guys, we are at Keymaster right now. None of these prizes are ready, but we found out if you shake it, the key moves like up and down, so you can actually win it even when it's not due.
Okay, why should be actually ready?
Okay, ready now.
I did.
Okay, do you see when you pull, it goes down, so you need to wait even longer. Wait,
it's
like
hard.
right
I can't
believe it went in there.
Right before it goes in.
need to pull it.
Ready? Not now. Oh, do you see it though?
I see.
You gotta wait longer.
Yes.
You gotta wait right before it gets in.
I know.
There.
You're right.
You want the sign to pull it, Brett?
I'll hold it.
Wait till the last second.
Okay, ready? Now. Oh! Oh my god.
If I win it with my money, I'll keep it after
Because it's going in, but then it's gonna come back
Oh,
up.
Oh, you're right. We might break Keymaster.
Hey, when we get our prizes.
I'm more excited about the video title. I mean, shoot.
Wait. I thought it was ready.
That was it.
Looks like it was ready. Let me do the same.
Before you go, can I tell something to your family?
Yes, of
I'm gonna
course.
tell something to your friends too, but just for now,
Aaron.
guys, do me a huge favor. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it.
Yes,
Please
let's
press
go.
that sub button down below. Comment down below how much you enjoyed that video.
Yo, hey, and
Bro,
check out
go
Wetzel.
down with the like button.
Yo, and you gotta check out Wetzel Pretzel here, dude. It's
Free
friggin'
promotion.
Yo, they hooked it up.
What's this mall? We got the Wetzel Pretzel plug right here.
What?
Like,
Yeah, that big drink.
everything, bro. Guys, shout out to Juan at Wetzel Pretzel. He gave us free pretzels and drinks. At
If you guys go, you gotta get like the pepperoni bites, dude. Oh my gosh.
Pepperoni
Those
bites,
things
they're
were lit with
amazing.
ranch.
What mall are we in?
Metro
Center Mall
Off of
in
Metro in
Glendale, Phoenix, Arizona, guys. Check it out. Oh, come on, get it. Oh.
It's right there.
How did I get
Duh, it's right there. It's been right there this whole time, Aaron.
No, well, we can come back.
Yo, you want whip? Look at my dude. Brett legit just whips like this. He literally just goes. Look at him. Look at whip. Oh, that would have went in too. No,
It was like due on that one only.
I'm sorry.
So check this out. Brett's gonna
Wait
for it. Oh, no way, guys! No way!
He got it.
Okay, guys, that was insane. Oh my god, he just beat. Oh shoot! You wanna drop, bro? I was on the front-facing camera because that just happened. No way. Wait. Okay, guys. I'm officially done for. This Keymaster, unfortunately, it only happened once. But show us what you
We got $100.
$100. If you can see, it says $100 on there. Does it say? Okay, yeah. We'll take the guy's word for it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Click that like button. As Juan said, click that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. New content every week, month. Oh, and subscribe to my best friend, Aaron. Shoot. Both Aaron and Brett's link will be both in the description. And why not? Because I'm gay. Bye, guys.